So the product I'm going to be reviewing is Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel. This has 7 different acids: lactic, malic, mandelic, citric, salicylic, and benzoic acid, as well as glycolic acid. So it's very strong. It comes in these little packets like this. And 1, it's a cotton pad and it's soaked in the solution, and 2 is neutralizing. Take out the cotton. You keep going until it dries. After this dries, then you use the neutralizing one, and the neutralizing one basically stops the acid from continuing to work and burn in your skin. So you're gonna put that and put it all the way through. I have seen before and after pictures where people have used this and you see their skin, it's nice and smooth texture, but their skin is really shiny. And that is because the skin's really tight because of the dehydration. It will strip any of the oils on your skin.